Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook artichokes in the oven. First, prepare your artichokes by trimming the stem and removing any tough outer leaves. Next, cut about 1 inch off the top and then have them lengthwise. Use a spoon to scoop out the fuzzy choke. Finally, rub the cut surfaces with lemon to prevent browning, ensuring they stay fresh and appealing for roasting. Now, let's get these ready for the oven. Drizzle each cut artichoke half with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, ensuring they're well coated. Season them generously with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder for fantastic flavor. Place the seasoned artichokes cut side down on a baking sheet and add 1/2 cup of water to the sheet for steaming. It's time to roast. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees Celsius. Place your baking sheet with the artichokes into the preheated oven and roast them for approximately 30 to 45 minutes. You'll know they're perfectly done when the outer leaves can be easily pulled off, and the heart feels wonderfully tender when pierced with a fork. Once roasted to perfection, your artichokes are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them warm with your favorite dipping sauce. A simple lemon garlic aioli or some melted butter makes a truly delicious accompaniment, enhancing their natural flavors. Savor the tender, flavorful leaves and the succulent, buttery heart. These roasted artichokes are a fantastic and impressive appetizer or a delightful side dish for any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.